Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of the Nokia 6100. Well, not refurbished, more of a tuning. So here's the body shell with the hardened glue. Pretty strong. Now let's make some mess. I'm gonna sand away the excess glue. Time to go to the top part. Oh boy, do I have here a lot to sand off. So I've prepared it. Now it's time to apply some kit in it. Okay, clearly this kit is for plastic by the looks of it. Bit of it. Like this. This is actually more than enough. Need to be too much of it, just a bit. Kind of it, because too much of it means that it's going to dry too fast. I'm only gonna apply a few here and there where I see cracks, and that's kind of it. Not too excessive. To be put here. Actually, there isn't a bit of it, since it's full of little holes, this body shell. Oh, here's another one. Oh my god, it's already hardening. No, not yet. Still have to put a bit here. This is mostly to be sure of what I'm doing. I don't think there's need for me to put it, but I am gonna put it anyway. yeah, I have nothing else to put, so I'm gonna have to wait for that to dry and then to sand it again. This is just like myself. So I need to, oh my god, this smell. I need to rinse the whole body shell out of impurities and grease, so I can actually paint it, you know. If this was a non-original body shell, it would have started to melt in my hand as it is. I'm talking of experience here, because I did this when I was a kid with non-original body shells for my N73. I noticed that my body shell was starting to get scratched, so I swapped the original body shell for an aftermarket one to preserve the original one, you know. And I said, yeah, let's paint it. That was a huge mistake. This plastic is getting affected? I don't think so. I don't know what to think actually, I hope not. Yep, it's getting whiter. For the buttons as well. Can I actually clean the logo even better now that I have this? I don't. Huh? Yeah, I don't think so. What is it? Don't need to cover this first. The part that I'm not going to paint, that is. So I can just close it like this. Yeah. Okay, good enough. Okay, time to apply some primer. Finally, we're done. Well, what is your opinion? Ta-da! I chose this blue-purple color. Like, I don't have a... I wanted to give it also a lacquer, but I've touched it a lot because I was going to keep it like this, and yeah, so I'm gonna leave it like this. It's not that bad actually. I went gray, the same gray that I used on the E60. I'm still holding it. Let me take this off. Yeah boy, look at this. Nice. Well, I polished this, but this is the best I could do, and maybe I'm gonna do it again a bit. But I like here how the color didn't affect it. Good. Until now, I'm proud of myself. I had to glue this little part because it snapped. If you remembered, I sprayed these buttons chrome. But unfortunately, the chrome was, I think it was water-based and I didn't know, and it went bad anyway, so I painted black. It's much simpler and also looks good on it. And here, you may not see it, but this is the Nokia logo that I had to stick it here because I didn't have any option to safely paint it and safely hold it in something, so this was my best shot. And now it's time to sand it a little. What do you think? That's a little brush of mine to brush away the excess. Let me first glue this here carefully, not to damage the paint. Taking a bit of this. Okay, this is kind of enough. Imagine if I put this upside down. And I'll let this to dry for a while, and now to put the volume button in its place. Yeah, I think I went better with the black buttons because you know of the infrared port that's also black. That's one, come on, and two. I think the third one's maybe snapped, I don't know. Alright, actually it's looking pretty good in my opinion. Okay, time to start putting everything back in its place. There we go. It closes in place, good, right? Okay, nice. The battery cover release button. How is it looking? Ooh, nice. Now let me look through all of this. Here we go. There we go. Okay, it's working fine. I'm gonna have a lot to edit on this video, but it will be worth it. I'm still thinking of the title of the video, Pimp My Nokia. Well, I'm not going to always do custom paint jobs. I'm mainly going to keep the originals, but on this one I wanted to try something different. So, well, I warned you that it's not going to be a Nokia classic Nokia refurbished, so don't judge me, please. Then the little power, well, little big power button, something like this. Man, chrome also would have looked very awesome on it. But it is what it is now. I just have to live with myself. Go for this. I can actually take this piece of paper out of here. Battery inside, SIM inside, not to put the battery cover. Oh, no, no. And this is how it looks. So this is how the phone looks now. Nice. 107 talk hours. And I can get out of here unless I turn it off. So this was my cleanup and painting of the Nokia 6100 body shell. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, all the best. Bye bye. Awesome icons.